Crafty tricks. Now today's trick is called Who Will Win. Now you can do this with 4 people in your household and they will have a chance to win each, or you can do it with 1 person and they will get 4 chances to win some money. But the magic bit is you'll always win. And here's how.
Right, to perform this trick, what you need is a pair of scissors, some money, I'm using a £5 note, 5 envelopes, some paper or card, a pencil and a felt tip of any colour. So first what we need are 4 cards to go into 4 of the envelopes. So to do this you can take some paper or card, fold it into 4 and then take your scissors and make yourself 4 small cards. Right, take your 4 cards and you're going to write on them, you lose, right, place 1 card in each envelope like this. Now with the last envelope, this is very important, this is where your money's going in, like so. And before you mix it up with the others, what you do is you get your pencil and you just put a little mark, like a little dot, just on the corner of the paper, just so you can differentiate which envelope's got the money in. You then hand these envelopes to a spectator, and the spectator, well, I'll do it now, but they'll mix them, give them a little mix like that. Then they hand you them back, you take them back and you say, I'll give them a little mix again. Now when you mix them a little more, always make sure that the marked one is second from the top. So the first person or the spectator is handed the envelopes and they spell out the word magic, moving the top card to the bottom of the pile, just like this. M-A-G-I, and they keep the letter C. The next person's handed them, or the spectator again, and you count out, spell the word magic again. M-A-G-I, and they keep the envelope C. The next spectator, or the spectator, is handed them back again, and they spell magic again, like this. M-A-G-I, and they get to keep the C. The last spectator, or the spectator, once again, is given the envelopes for the last time, and they spell magic. M-A-G-I, and they keep envelope C. You then hand them the envelopes, tell them to open the envelopes, and of course they open their envelopes and they've all got you lose. Then you open your envelope at the end and say, and I win.